What's up guys, Justin here with the Online Business Essentials. So in today's video, I wanted to show you how to quickly remove the background from a photo using Canva. Let's go ahead and just jump into it. All right, so a lot of the time when you create things like thumbnails, you want to create an image that has like you in the image, but you don't want the background, right? So you want kind of a cutout and an outline. And I'm going to show you how to do that inside of Canva. Note that this is a Canva Pro feature. I'll link to a free trial of Canva Pro if you want to give it a try. So I've got a thumbnail right here that I'm working on for another video. And what I've done is I've taken a picture of myself in my office. And what I want to do is I want to drag that picture in. So you can bring in any picture of you, really. And I just want to bring that in. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to flip it horizontally like this. And so then what we want to do is we want to edit this so that all this stuff isn't in the background anymore. I just want me and not the rest of the stuff. So the way that you can do that is you can go into the edit image settings. So notice how you have to click on this image in order for that to show up. That's going to pop up the image settings right here. So you just want to go into your effects. And for me, it shows up here because it's recently used. It may just show up right here for you, but if you don't see it, you just want to type in background remover and you can click on this. When you do that, what that's going to do is that's going to analyze your photo like this. And it's going to go in and it's going to completely remove that background for you. Like this. So notice how now I've got this image of me and it completely masked out the rest of the background. So it does a really good job of recognizing your images. Now you can come in here and click on restore. If you want to bring something back in, notice how I can paint along here in order to do this. So this gives you the ability to either restore or erase. So if it misses something, which I have had it do before, you can actually come in here and you can paint them out using this brush. You do want to be careful because you can accidentally remove part of yourself as well. So I'm just going to hit cancel on that, but you can use the brush in order to manually do some stuff in here as well. Now, when we're done, we can click on apply. And we can go ahead and we can resize this image. We can make changes, other things like that. One other thing while we're here is I'll also show you how to add an outline around this image. And so the way that I want to do that is I want to do that using a shadow. And so to do that, we just want to type into our effects, shadow, right here. And there's a bunch of different shadows. In this case, we want the glow because what the glow is going to do is it's going to go out equally all the way around our image like this. And so when we first do this, notice how it just gives you the shadow right here. It's not really a very good effect. So what you want to do is notice how now that we have this selected, it shows you the little sliders in here. Well, if you click on this again, what it's going to do is it's going to allow you to make adjustments. So for example, I can make it bigger or smaller using the size. Well, in this case, I don't want this to be really a drop shadow. I want this to actually be an outline around my image. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to drag my transparency all the way to 100%, and I'm going to drag my blur down to 0. Notice how when I do that, this is now giving me a color outline around my image rather than giving me that shadow. And we can adjust the size like this, and then you can adjust the color as well. So I could make this whatever color I wanted it to be, right? We've got all of our different colors in here, so you can make whatever adjustments you want in that image. And then once you're done, you can just click on apply. When you click on apply, that's going to give you your full image in here with the background masked out and an outline around your image. All right, so that's it for right now. Leave a comment below. Let me know if you have any questions about anything we talked about or if you have any other Canva questions. I just love having that conversation with you guys. As always, thank you so much for taking the time to watch this. I'll catch you in the next video. Thanks, guys.